He Canadian Press, online edition. Magnitude 5.8 earthquake strikes Mexico southwestern Oaxaca state on Pacific coast by The Associated Press Wednesday, August 13, 2014 at 2:59 a.m. Vertical line comments. 0 print email report error. New York, NY. The United States Geological Survey says a magnitude 5.8 earthquake has struck the southwestern Mexican state of Oaxaca. The USGS said the quake struck early Wednesday with its epicenter 10 miles 16 kilometers west of Santiago Canota near the Pacific coast. It had a depth of 6.2 miles 10 kilometers. There were no immediate reports of injuries. A magnitude 5.8 quake can cause considerable damage,